Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Botsonic. Now this is Botsonic. Now this is what does it do? It's an AI powered no code chatbot builder. It builds chatbots for you. It is designed to help businesses create custom chatbots for various purposes, primarily customer support and lead generation. Its key features include no code development, custom training, easy integration, customization and branding, lead generation, analytics and monitoring, GPT-4 powered, multilingual support, and live agent handoff. You can see example right here. So if you want to know more, go to botsonic.com. That is botsonic.com to know more about it. So you can give it a trial. You can build your own agent for free or get a demo. If you want to know more about the pricing, you can check it out here. So what are you waiting for? Go to botsonic.com. That is botsonic.com today.